Hello, I present to you the Smart Keyless Keeper. Yes, this little smart device will protect you and your car from thieves. If you have ever replaced the battery in your car key, then it will be easier for you. Open the key cover. Wrap the Smart Keyless Keeper around the battery that will be packaged with the device and place it in the battery compartment. That's it. Installation is complete. Now let's test how the Smart Guard works. As you know, the keyless function automatically opens the doors when you approach the car, and the Smart Keyless Keeper blocks this function when your key is in a stationary position for 3 minutes or more. It is enough to move the key a little, and the keyless function will be activated immediately. That's it. Buy a European device made with the latest technology and be safe.